Hello and welcome to this video discussing the complete 60-day gut restoration program. When managing complex health issues like autoimmune conditions, it can feel overwhelming to receive piecemeal advice that never seems to address the underlying root issue. You might have experimented with different diets or medication adjustments without experiencing lasting change. The reality is that improving gut health plays a central, pivotal role in moderating immune responses. Yet this connection is often misunderstood or significantly oversimplified. Experts emphasize that instead of isolated interventions, a well-structured, progressive approach is truly needed. The challenge for individuals with autoimmune concerns is that many methods tend to treat symptoms rather than getting to the bottom of the underlying issues. Traditional approaches might overlook the profound importance of the gut in regulating the immune system. Experts like Dr. Natasha Campbell-McBride and Robin Chutkan highlight how a disrupted gut environment can fundamentally weaken your immune defenses. These insights underscore the necessity of a structured framework. A structured program, like a 60-day plan, offers a clear roadmap. It starts by mapping out where you are currently. This crucial assessment step allows you to pinpoint exactly what parts of your gut might require extra support. Then, it guides you through targeted nutritional adjustments and lifestyle habits that have been proven to cultivate a thriving gut environment. Finally, it helps you set actionable goals and monitor progress effectively, ensuring every new habit directly connects back to enhancing your overall immune function. This is not about random guessing. It's about making informed decisions grounded in your body's specific responses and established nutritional science. It involves assessing key components of your diet, lifestyle, and overall health. It means tracking symptoms and behaviors that influence your condition and creating a personalized health baseline. Experts champion tracking concrete health signals to empower personalized interventions. This includes looking at your diet and nutritional intake, keeping a symptom journal, analyzing lifestyle factors like sleep and stress, and potentially reviewing relevant lab markers. A core part of restoring gut health is understanding and addressing inflammatory triggers. Inflammation is an invisible process that can be difficult to trace. It's essential to identify which foods, supplements, and lifestyle habits are causing your body to react. High sugar, processed foods, stress, poor sleep, and overuse of certain supplement additives can all contribute to inflammation. Learning how to conduct a comprehensive audit of your intake and daily habits is a necessary step. Beyond identifying problems, a restoration program focuses on building a stable gut ecosystem. This involves making key dietary changes, such as incorporating fermented foods, increasing fiber, and minimizing processed items. It also includes crucial lifestyle adjustments, like improving sleep, regular movement, and stress reduction methods. Integrating these aspects is like assembling a puzzle where every piece matters. But how do you effectively integrate assessment, trigger identification, dietary changes, lifestyle shifts, and potentially smart supplementation over a defined period to create lasting change? How do you move from awareness to consistent action and track meaningful progress? How do you ensure that the changes you make are sustainable and don't overwhelm your system? This requires a structured, phased approach. Sharing it with a friend who might also benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in more science-backed strategies for your well-being, we'd love for you to subscribe. A 60-day program provides a manageable timeframe to see tangible progress and make necessary adjustments. It helps you set objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This methodology helps you build lasting habits by celebrating small wins along the way. It allows you to break down your goals and milestones in core areas like diet, supplements, and lifestyle. Implementing a complete restoration requires taking action. This involves documenting your starting point, incorporating new healthy habits gradually, reviewing and tweaking your approach weekly, and engaging with resources and tracking tools. This systematic process moves you from understanding your body to actively transforming it. It's not just about learning theory, but actively engaging with material to create tangible improvements. If you are seeking a structured program that guides you step by step through self-assessment, identifying triggers, implementing gradual changes, building personalized plans for diet, supplements, and lifestyle, and provides the framework to track your progress over 60 days for meaningful, lasting change, a complete program is essential. This journey builds a resilient foundation for your overall health. Thank you for watching and considering the complete 60-day gut restoration program. If you're interested in learning more details and discovering the full structure and components of a comprehensive 60-day plan for gut restoration, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. For a complete step-by-step program that provides all the tools, strategies, and guidance needed to implement this plan and achieve lasting gut and immune health, you can find the link to our full course also in the description. If you're ready to take charge of your gut health and immune system, like this video as a commitment to your well-being, share this proven protocol with anyone who needs to fix their digestive issues. And for the complete step-by-step guide to a healthier, more vibrant life, subscribe to our channel today.